the letter like you said. I met her father at the door. He said he would give it. I don't think I can stand anymore.
Nando, what's wrong? I feel the something right upon your hair. Nando, you hurt me, need some help. Oh God, it's everywhere.
Don't you fret, Miss Rakasa. Don't feel any pain. Little fall of rain hardly hurt me now or here. That's all I need to know. And you will keep me safe, and you will keep me close, and rain will make the flowers grow.
But you will leave, Nando, dear God above. If I could heal yours with words of love.
Just hold me now and let it be. Shelter me, comfort me.
You will live 100 years if I could show you how. I won't desert you now.
Rain can hurt me now. This rain will wash away what's past, and you will keep me safe, and you will keep me close. I'll sleep in your embrace at last. The rain that brings you here is heaven blessed. The skies begin to clear, and I'm at rest. A breath away from where you were. I've come home from so far. So don't you fret, Miss Rakasa.
You won't feel any pain. A little fall of rain can hardly hurt you now. I'm here.
That's all I need to know.